Orbiters, what's going on? Today we're going on mission number 2. If you missed the first Orbital Alliance mission number 1, where we got a lunar transit, click the link up here or check in the description below and you can check that out. But today is mission number 2, and we're going out to get a solar transit of the International Space Station. And I'm hoping that you are excited to come along for the ride as part of our special missions task force that we established last time. But today we have a special crew member. This is my wife, Kayla.
Hello.
Come along for the ride. And today you're a mission specialist.
I am.
Yeah.
What's my specialty?
Your specialty is being awesome.
All right.
And moral support. Because my, well, it's morale support really, because my morale can tank pretty quickly when I mess these up. So
I'll be there.
So thank you.
Got you.
Let's go get this solar transit. Okay, we made it to the location. We're here. We are about 15 minutes away from home, and we're gonna set up all of our gear here and get ready to go for the transit. Clouds are kind of blowing in, but we're gonna beat it. We're totally gonna beat it today. Our objectives for our mission today, crew, is to, 1, successfully get a solar transit in the middle of this beautiful day. Number 2, we're gonna try out some new camera gear and see if that works. If it doesn't, I've got a backup, that's okay. And number 3 is, of course, did you learn something? And that goes for me as well. Did I learn something? Kayla, are you gonna learn something?
Yes.
There we go, number 3, it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna time lapse some gear set up here, and we're gonna nail this mission. We're gonna do it. Let's go. All right, so gear is set up, ready to go. I need to do some tests first, and we have about 23 minutes before the transit. So just enough time to make sure this works. If not, to set up the backup. Kayla can't see anything.
Except the sun.
Except the sun. ISO approved solar glasses, and those are left over from the Great American Eclipse of 2017. By the way, the other Great American Eclipse is coming up in 2024, so we're halfway there now to the next one. So I know Carbondale, where I was in Carbondale, Illinois, that's I think the only place in America where both eclipses are gonna see totality. So that's the place to be, but it was jam-packed when I went there that time. It was nuts.
And cloudy.
We did get a cloud. It ruined the whole eclipse, but it was still fun. It was still a lot of fun. But okay, gonna do some tests here, and then I'll show you all my equipment, and we'll be ready to go.
What's the blanket about?
It's gonna be my shroud. So it's gonna be like 1920s box photography.
So you can actually see the screen.
I can't even see the screen. So.
It is very bright out here.
Also, remind me to wash this blanket. It doesn't smell very good.
Yeah. So this is our blanket that we use when our dog needs to ride in the car. So yeah, that's probably why it doesn't smell so good.
Okay, so I'm deciding to make a call here on whether or not I'm going to use this telescope, because it's so zoomed in, and I just don't know if I can guarantee, which part of the sun it's going to go through, because astronomical telescopes are backwards and inverted, and it's too zoomed in on the sun. So I think I'm going to make the call and switch from the telescope to my telephoto camera, which is fine because I can guarantee that's going to work. It's going to be beautiful, and I'll figure this thing out another time. I would hate to be disappointed. Right? No disappointment today.
No disappointment.
Okay.
Morale has been boosted.
Yes. That also means I'm going to need to use this camera, so we're going to switch over to the phone. So sorry for the lack of quality. All right, so we made the successful switch to the backup. It's always good to have a backup option because you'll mitigate disappointment, that's for sure. So we're ready to go. And of course, this is the jankiest way of using a solar filter. Don't do what I do, get a solar filter for your camera. This is my telescope solar filter. But everything's set up, we're in focus, we're exposed properly. Got my remote shutter on my 600mm zoom lens. And we've got about a little over 2 minutes until the transit. So technically, as of right now, the space station is visible from our position somewhere out there, and it's going to move up, go over my head, go that way, and hopefully at the end of the day, we've got...
There it is!
Oh, yeah. Kayla can see it. All right. All right, guys, this is the mission. Let's tackle it. All right, we got 20 seconds until the transit. Here we go. Counting down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Transit. 2, 1. Count. There it is. Okay. I think we did it. Oh no!
I'm losing the glasses!
Go get the
Goodbye.
glasses. Okay. Packing up all the stuff. Just at least getting the sensitive positive things out of here. Like the solar filter, you don't want to like trash that, especially with the way I do it, which is, again, wrong. Don't do what I do. Do it the right way, spend the money, and get a solar cap for your telephoto lens. Let me just go over the gear that I was using, so you know. I just recently got this this ASI 224 MC astro camera, or planetary camera. This is what I was going to use today, but yeah, obviously I was not fully prepared for that. Oh no! The mic just like rolled right off. Hold on. All right, all my gear is doing exactly what I don't want it to do, and that's fall apart. How'd you feel about it? What was your, how'd you feel about seeing this? Did you see it?
I did not see it.
Oh man.
I'm very bummed. So the solar glasses doesn't give me super eyesight to see really tiny things really far away.
But it was an experiment.
It was an experiment, and I learned that it doesn't work.
Hey, that's objective 3 crossed out. Well done.
Boom.
Yeah, nice, sweet.
Yeah.
So we did learn that using solar glasses does not give you the ability to see a transit with your eyes. You need telephoto or telescopic oculars. So that's cool. Well, yeah, way to go.
Now we know.
Now we know. All right, guys, we're back in the car, as you can see, and we're going to do the ever-reliant in-camera review. So why don't you come in nice and close here. Hey, there's the sun. So I'm clicking here left to review my photos, and going left, 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 left. Oh, I see a dot. Doot, 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 doot. That's a space station right there. What? Cool. Hey, I'm still in the photo. This is great. Hi, everybody. So that's 1 frame, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames straight across the center. Totally satisfied. This is gonna be fantastic to go back and make a composite out of. If you guys have any questions about how to capture solar transits, feel free to comment below. I'd be happy to answer them and help you out. I do have another video on this. I'll link right here, and you can check out some more in-depth stuff. I kind of sat with the camera and explained a little bit more on the previous video. So if you want to do that, great. If you want to see more of these missions, let me know too, because this is only number 2, and I think there's a lot more adventures to go on. And I want to bring you guys along, so it's gonna be fantastic. Side note, as we're in the car here, we did dodge a bullet because it's like 10 or 20 minutes after, but look at this cloud.
Cloud.
That almost came through 20 minutes later, and we dodged a bullet. So take that, cloud. We beat you this time. That's like for the last 3 times that I got a missed opportunity because of a cloud. So I shake my fist at thee. Okay, well, until the next pass around the Earth, orbiters, I will see you
On the other side.
Yeah, woo!